Okay, so good morning. Remember, this week we've been talking about the book More Than Anything Else. Hopefully, everybody has looked at the lessons. If you've not been able to be on the lessons, and so you've read the book, or you've gone and listened to the book on YouTube. So, what we're going to be focusing on today is the theme of More Than Anything Else. Okay, the theme of the book. When I say theme, what is theme in general? When I'm asking for the theme of a book, what am I asking for?
The lesson.
The lesson, exactly. Thank you, Tamaya. So I'm asking, what lesson am I learning from this book? Okay, what is this book trying to teach me? What is this book trying to get me to understand before I finish reading it? Okay, so Alasia, what do you think the theme of the book More Than Anything Else is? What do you think the theme is?
I think the theme is this boy that wanted to learn how to read. He went to the man that had newspapers and he asked if he could learn how to read, and then the man helped him learn how to read, and the man wrote on letters that spelled his name on the ground.
Okay, so are you retelling or are you giving me the message? If I say retelling, what do I mean? If I say retell me the story, what does that mean? Alasia.
Tell what happened.
Right. So you told me what happened in the story, but you didn't tell me what the message of the story was. What's the message, or what do you learn from the events that happened?
A boy wanted to read.
Okay, and what did so you said that he wanted to read and he went to a man that had a newspaper and he knew that he could read and asked him to help him. Okay, so what traits is he showing? Like what can you give me some words that you can use to describe Booker in that moment? Because he could have just said, well, I'm not supposed to read, so whatever. But he didn't. He went out of his way to seek help. So, what are some words you can use to describe Booker at that time?
Brave.
Brave. Okay, Tamaya, can you think of any words to describe Booker?
Um, he wants to learn.
So brave, eager to learn. Okay, and so if I have those two things, just using those two words, thinking that he's brave, thinking that he's eager to learn, okay? What is something I can learn from watching him? Either one of you.
Never give up. Never give up on what you're trying to do.
Right. Never give up. Don't give up. Don't allow other people and their decisions and their thoughts about what you should and should not be doing stop you from doing what you really, really want to do. At the end of the day, Booker really, really wanted to read. And so, no matter what the laws were, no matter what people around him said, Booker was going to do whatever it took to learn how to read. Okay. So, think about that when you're doing your assignment today. So we're going to watch a quick vocabulary video, just a reminder of theme, and then I'm going to show you what your assignment for the day is. Okay, Alasia, as soon as the video starts, just give me a quick thumbs up so that I know that you can hear it, okay?
It was an ice cold evening in the city that never sleeps. Criminals stalked the streets, and everywhere you looked, it was a war of good versus evil. Will there be a hero to come save the city? Someone on a mission for justice? Stay tuned to find out what the theme is.
Yeah, we've got some knowledge you can get right here. We're talking about a theme or a big idea. It's a message about life the author is expressing. So here's an example for anyone with questions. Excessive pride leads to a person's demise. Now a few more themes you can try and emphasize. In The Little Prince, I won't keep you guessing. Relationships teach you important lessons. And in Tuck Everlasting, there's that death is a part of the life cycle. Do you get it yet? Many different stories have themes that they share. It could be in this book and that book over there. Like in Alice in Wonderland and The Little Prince. Do you know what a theme that they share is? It's that in childhood, you're open-minded and you know things that adults lose sight of. Don't confuse theme with the main idea though. So just in case, let me break it down for you real slow. Main idea is what a text is about mostly, while the theme is more sweeping, so you've gotta read closely. Every story has a theme, a universal concept, if you know what I mean. Theme in every story has a theme. Just below the surface, running through it like a stream. Every story has a theme, a universal concept, if you know what I mean. Theme in every story has a theme. Just below the surface, running through it like a stream. Now a writer won't come right out and say what the theme is, but with the character and plot, you don't need to be a genius. Take Batman, aka Bruce Wayne the billionaire, the moonlighting crime fighter who all of the villains fear.
Yeah.
But every once in a while, a truly diabolical one comes into town,
Right.
and really puts Batman to the test. The Joker, the Penguin, the Scarecrow, you can guess that.
What?
Every time without fail, it's the good guy, Batman, who prevails.
So what's the theme?
Think about the plot and the characters, heroes, villains.
I see the
Yup,
theme.
there it is. Good triumphs over evil. Let's do another, cause a text can have more than one theme to discover. Bruce Wayne's a jerk, but Batman's a good guy. So another theme is there's more than meets the eye. Every story has a theme, a universal concept, if you know what I mean. Theme in every story has a theme. Just below the surface, running through it like a stream. Every story has a theme, a universal concept, if you know what I mean. Theme in every story has a theme. Just below the surface, running through it like a stream.
And here we are. This story has many themes, as you can tell. There's always a theme to everything you read, everything you see. Make sure you dig deep. Your story has a theme, too. Every story has a theme.
All right. So really quickly, I'm going to show you where you can find your assignment. If you go to the Clever page and you go to week April 13th over April through April 17th, you would click on the Start Here instructions. And then you, give me 1 second. There we go. You would scroll to the bottom where it says Thursday, okay? Now, obviously, this is just here, right? Your goal is to make your own. So you can draw, you can add color, you can put pictures. It's up to you. I want you to make it as creative as you would like. So like where the stars are, you can put other pictures or other, items there. But make sure it says theme at the top. It puts what the theme of the story is, which we've already talked about. And we said that the theme is to never give up. And then you would go back to the read aloud. So I would go back to the Clever page, click read aloud. And I would listen to that story and I would find text evidence and put it under these 3 columns. Now, if you want to make like a foldable where the flaps kind of flip up, you can do that as well. It's up to you. If you want to just write it like it is, like, you know, draw just the 3 columns, you can do that as well. It, again, like I said, it is completely up to you what you want to do. So be as creative as you would like. Okay? Does anybody have any questions about what your assignment is today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so as always, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message in Class Dojo. Have a good day. Y'all be careful, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.